Hello everyone, we are Hebei Lingbiao Technology Development Company. We are an original manufacturer of center stone. This is our performance-focused 20mm ultra-thin center stone.
It has a classic large size of 1.6 by 3.2 meters, with realistic patterns and a high-quality full-body look. The texture is truly amazing.
But it's not just about looks. 20mm thickness is a game changer.
It handles impact and weight much better than single steps, so it can easily stand up to accidental hits in the kitchen. It's strong, built to last, and will keep your countertop solid as a rock.
Combined with smooth hardness of 7+, it's highly scratch resistant. It means its beauty and performance are built to last. Today I will show you 20mm center stone slide processing. Step 1. Precision cutting. Using infrared scanning, we present your design onto the slab with perfect accuracy.
Our bridge cutting machines then cut the material with 98% efficiency, minimizing waste and ensuring a perfect foundation. For cutting 20mm thick slabs, our bridge saw needs to be equipped with a 350 by 50mm manganese steel blade designed for stone slabs. The blade is 2.2mm thick. During cutting, set the machine to 2,800 RPM and a cutting speed of 800 to 1,200 mm per minute. For the first and last 180 mm of the cut, reduce the speed by half.
Step 2. Hole cutting. Our high-pressure water cutting can cut any shape.
It even makes small 5mm diameter holes without cracks. This better solves the problem of cracking in center stone slabs. During water-jet cutting, set the feed multiply to 13%, the abrasive wall control to 58%. The water press should be between 300 and 320 megapascal.
Next is all the performance tests of our slabs.
So whether it's for a high-performance kitchen countertop, an outdoor dining table, or a large commercial project that needs a seamless look, our 20mm slab is truly your undisputed top choice.